Then next is diri ta sa how to use triggers and actions to automate tasks in Shopify workflows. So triggers are the events that start a workflow. Example, contact created, form submitted, or appointment book or tag added. So diri create tag from scratch. So na-explain mo to sa previous vid katong sa tong trigger sa pag-add sa trigger or sa action. So there is a trigger. Sa instruction, triggers are events that start a workflow. Example is contact created, form submitted, or appointment book or tag added. So ngita ta diri. Dara form submit, workflow trigger name. Dara mo na itong trigger. Then sa action, actions are what happen after the trigger. Example, send SMS, send email, add tag, assign to user, or move to pipeline stage. So, ang ibutan na to sa trigger kay send. Pwede to siya i-search. Tara. Need pa rin mo i-fill up kung send email imong gipili. Test. Optional quick. Pwede nimo i-customize kung unsa nga message imong gusto. Then after that, i-save sa dara no. Create na tag kani trigger, then action. Based diri sa instruction no. Then if makombine na to nimong trigger ug action is naka-sequence nga naka-build naka fully nga automated process. So mao lang to no.